In this video, I'm going to show you how to export customers from Wave Accounting. Now, you can't actually do this directly inside Wave Accounting itself. However, you can use Wave Connect for Google Sheets and you can do it in there very easily. I'm going to show you right now how to do that. Now, first here, of course, you must have some customers. So I do have some customers over here. If I just go to the customers menu inside sales and payment, you can see over here, there we go. I have 3 sample customers which I created, okay? Now we're going to use these as our example, and of course if you have a huge list, no problem, it's going to work either way. Then what you want to do is go to Sheets, so open a new sheet in Google Sheets, go to up top where it says Extensions, hover over Add-ons, and click on Get Add-ons, okay? So let me actually refresh this, so of course you should do in case you just opened this, there we go. And then inside Add-ons, click on Get Add-ons. And then from here, you want to search for Wave up top and click on Wave Connect. And then here you can see Wave Connect. You want to click on it and you want to click on Install. Now, after this, you'll have to verify a few things over here, such as over here, press Continue, select all, and press Continue yet again to confirm everything. And once you've done that, there we go, you can click on Done and close this, and now we have Wave Connect set up, okay? So it's now in here. You can go to Extensions, hover over it, and click on Connect Wave Account. Now, for the first time you're doing this, you're going to have to enable Wave Account or Wave Connect for that specific sheet as well. So it's just a press of a button. You'll be able to see it's going to prompt you. And then here, you want to click on Connect Account. And it's going to take you over to Wave, where you basically will have to authorize everything. So it's going to look like this. There we go. You're going to have to press the button for the first time you do this. For me, it did that automatically because I've done that earlier already. There we go. Then it's going to say Success. You can click on Close and now go to Extensions, Wave Connect, and then here click on Download and click on Customers. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to basically give you an option to download customers over here. And what you can do is select your business and select the things you want to download. So as you can see here, you can just do everything, or you could just do like customer names or just specific things. Let's just say I'm going to do these things over here for now, okay? Of course, check as many as you want. Click on Download Customers. And what's going to happen here, this is going to start loading, and this is going to start loading for a few seconds. And there we go. It's going to give you like a spreadsheet over here with all of the headers and stuff like that. And then in here, there's going to be a list of your customers with all their details, okay? So that's how you do this. Then you can go to File, top left. You can download that specific sheet as an Excel file, PDF, of course, CSV, or other things as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.